Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can claim a free coin or a free MNT coin or a giveaway on Bybit app. Okay, so before I quickly dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this my amazing channel, do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos for a lot of people to benefit from it. Okay, and if you are returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe to this amazing channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. Before we do that, make sure you have a verified Bybit account, because this tutorial is going to be on Bybit straight. Okay, so all you just need to do after verifying your Bybit account, or if you do have a Bybit account, just log on to the account and come to this very dashboard. Okay, on this very dashboard, there's always a place that you always see advertisement pass by. Okay, so you look at this middle, you can see Bybit X Venom airdrop. You can see this one, airdrop bonanza, Venom awaits, ignite your trade. So but what we are going to focus on this very place is the MNT giveaway. Okay, so the moment is there, you keep sliding until you see this. Okay, you keep sliding until what? Until you see this. This said what? Join our 20,000 MNT giveaway. Okay, so what do you need to do? Just click on it. The moment you click on it, a sales patient is going to take you to another interface, which is this very place. Okay, the first one says Citizens Telegram game fee airdrop. Okay, forget about all that. All you just need to do is to navigate yourself to the top right hand side. You can see a little arrow after custodial. Okay, after custodial, click on the little arrow. If you click on the little arrow, it will bring you to somewhere of this very nature. I've already added my wallet address though, but I'm going to do this again for the sake of this tutorial so that you can purely understand what we're talking about. Okay, so don't forget, if you're just joining us, do well to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do is to click on this add wallet. Okay, you click on add wallet. Okay, if you click on add wallet, you're going to come down to the last one, which is the third one. We say watch only wallets. Okay, click on watch only wallet. If you click on watch only wallet, what you're going to do is to go get your Ethereum wallet address. Okay, get your Ethereum wallet address, paste it on this very place and confirm. So how do you get your Ethereum wallet address? Okay, this remind me, I'm going to drop you a video on how you can be getting any kind of wallet address you want on your Bybit account. Okay, so for you to get your Ethereum wallet address, you're going to go back. What do we do? Click on back, go back, go back, go back, go back to this very interface. So the moment you come to this very place, go to your wallet. On this place, the wallet is called the assets. Okay, on this place, the wallet is called what? It's called the assets. So if you come to the assets, you click on deposit. If you click on deposit, navigate yourself to the last one, which says deposit crypto. Okay, so as you can see, if it says deposit crypto, what are you going to search? What do we want? Remember, we want Ethereum wallet address. Okay, which is the ETH. Type on ETH here. If you type on ETH, it's going to pop up. So you click on ETH. So if you click on ETH, the particular wallet address we need here is ERC20. So you click on the ERC20, click on OK. If you click on the ERC20, what next do you need to do? Just copy this wallet address, or you click on this little box to copy the wallet address. Now you have gotten your Ethereum wallet address, and the network is what? ERC20, right? Okay, just go back there. Don't forget, what I'm showing you right here will give you the opportunity to claim thousands of MNT, which will generate you a lot of income in USDT. Okay, so come back to this very place again and search for this giveaway. Okay, search for this giveaway. Keep sliding until you find it. Search for this giveaway, click on it again as you did in the first place, right? So you click on it again, do the same thing you did in the first place, add wallet watch list. Come to this very place and copy this Ethereum and paste this Ethereum wallet address. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do is to click on confirm. You see address already exists. Okay, so the moment you just click on confirm, your address will be added. Okay, so this brought us to the end of this very video. The moment you do this, wait for just 24 hours. Okay, just 24 hours and you'll be given and you'll be credited your giveaway. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning of this very amazing video to the end. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and also share. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.